Section 2. You will hear a radio advertisement about an exhibition. Choose the correct answer, A, B, or C. Now you have some time to look at questions 11 to 15. Now listen carefully and answer questions 11 to 15.
Good evening, listeners. This is City Radio FM, and today we're excited to tell you about one of the biggest public events of the season, the Future World Science and Technology Exhibition, opening this weekend at the Grand Exhibition Center. The exhibition has been organized to encourage people of all ages to become more interested in science, engineering, and modern technology. It is especially designed for families and students who want to explore how scientific discoveries are changing everyday life. The event will continue for 2 weeks and is expected to attract thousands of visitors from across the region. More than 50 international companies and research organizations will take part, presenting inventions ranging from medical robots to environmentally friendly transport systems. Visitors entering the exhibition will first arrive at the Central Hall, where a large robotics competition will take place throughout the day. Engineering teams from several universities will demonstrate machines designed to complete complex tasks without human assistance. Organizers say this area is likely to be one of the most popular attractions of the exhibition. Another major attraction is the Space Zone, which focuses on space exploration and future missions to the Moon and Mars. In this section, visitors will be able to experience a virtual reality journey through a space station. Using special equipment, participants can explore different areas of the station and even experience what moving in zero gravity feels like. Children under the age of 12 must be accompanied by an adult while using this activity. Tickets can be purchased either online or directly at the entrance. However, organizers strongly recommend buying tickets online because they are slightly cheaper than those sold at the venue. People who book online before Friday evening will also receive a digital guidebook containing maps and schedules for the exhibition. The exhibition will be open daily from 10 a.m. until 8 p.m. However, listeners planning to attend on Saturday are advised to arrive early because a well-known astronaut, Dr. Helen Morris, will give a special talk at 11 a.m. Large crowds are expected, and seats in the main theater are limited. Parking will be available near the eastern entrance, although organizers recommend public transport due to the expected traffic in the city center. So if you're interested in science, technology, or the future of our world, don't miss this exciting event. For more information and ticket details, visit the exhibition's official website or contact the City Events Office.